Hey guys, welcome to Madhav GFX, and in this video we'll be changing the color of this flower. You can use this method in changing selective colors of your different things. So let me just adjust this one so the hardness will be 100 and size will be this. So what I've seen people doing is basically they do this and they expect it to work. I don't know how, like changing the blending options or something, but it does not. So let me show you an easier way you can do this. First of all, let us select the pen tool and make a rough selection of, make a rough like this. Okay, almost there. Then what you need to do is you can just press Ctrl Enter to make this a selection. See, I've made it on a new layer. We can go back, do Ctrl J, and it is here. Now Ctrl click over at this one, go to this and click and change it to UN saturation. Now what you have to do is click on this hand icon, select the color like the brightest red, and you can change the hue like that. Simple, pretty simple, bro. Yeah, this is the simplest way you can do this. Like you can change the lightness and things. Like if you want to make it like blue, you can do that, and the lightness will be affecting its colors intensity. So you can use that as a option if you want to. Okay, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.